Under the Second Restatement of Torts, a defendant is liable for battery if a plaintiff can prove two elements. First, that the defendant intended to cause harmful or offensive contact with another person or an imminent apprehension of such contact. And second, that a harmful or offensive contact with the plaintiff resulted. However, courts are split regarding whether a defendant must prove dual intent, which is both intent to make bodily contact and intent to harm or offend, or single intent, which is intent to make bodily contact that turns out to be harmful or offensive. In Villa v. Derouen, the Louisiana Court of Appeal considered this question in a case involving unintentional burns from the use of a welding torch. In May of 1986, Michael Derouen and Eusebio Villa were coworkers performing welding work in Iberia Parish, Louisiana. While working, Derouen, as a joke, used his welding torch to blow pressurized oxygen behind Villa's neck. In response, Villa told Derouen to stop fooling around. A coworker also told Derouen not to blow oxygen like that out of his welding torch because it could ignite. A few minutes later, as Villa was crouched down welding, once again as a joke, Derouen used his torch to blow pressurized oxygen on Villa's groin area. Moments later, Villa felt significant pain in his groin area and, as a result of the spraying, suffered second-degree burns. Subsequently, Villa sued Derouen in state district court for battery. At trial, the evidence showed that Derouen intended to spray Villa with the oxygen, but only meant it as a joke and didn't intend to harm Villa. The court then instructed the jury that, in order to be liable for battery, Villa only had to prove Derouen intended to cause a harmful or offensive contact without consent. However, during opening and closing statements, Derouen's attorneys told the jury that, to find Derouen liable, it had to find that Derouen intended to hurt or burn Villa. After asking the judge to clarify what was required to prove the intent element of battery, the jury returned a verdict in favor of Derouen. Villa appealed to the Louisiana Court of Appeal.